Alright, so I had to replace this old monoxide detector. It was also original, and I thought I'd do a video. This is the one I replaced it with. It seemed to come closest to what I could find that would fit. So this is first alert, and there's your, let me make sure I got you a good picture so you can see the QR code. This is the one I replaced it with. So that's an SCOSCN, first alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. And like I said, it was the closest I come to the fit so that I didn't have to do new holes. So if you're looking for a replacement, that should work for you. This is a 2008 Itasca Navion RV motorhome. Alrighty, thanks for watching.